Hey everyone, today I'm here to talk about another hot social media trend going on in the organizing world, and that is stacking the cookies in the container. So I wanted to try it out and give you my take on it. Okay, so this isn't even that full yet. I would need a whole nother container of Oreos. But the point of this, it took 3 minutes and 10 seconds just to get it this full. And I have to say, it's not something I would recommend if you have a family. It's fine if you live alone, but if you spent all this time doing this and every day your kids came in and grabbed a handful of cookies, I would start crying. I mean, this is time consuming. So think before you do some of these trends on social media. And I would say this one for me, not so much.